Good morning. You say good morning?
Good morning.
I have my little helpers here. So I have been trying to get motivated to clean out this one's closet. She has like gone through a major growth spurt and is growing out of everything. And so I just need to get everything organized and just really clean the house, especially since we've been spending so much extra time in the house these days. So I just thought it would be the perfect time. I just got my Grove order in, which if you've been following me, you know I'm a mama of 4. I have twin 1-year-olds. So anything that makes my life easier, sign me up. So I found Grove. I ordered all my cleaning supplies, which some of my favorites I will show you. So I just thought it was perfect timing to have these little helpers and get everything clean and organized. You ready to help me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go open some boxes and go through everything.
Yay.
Yeah, and somebody this morning surprised me. And what did you do?
I made the beds.
Did you make all the beds?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. And what?
And he folded my clothes.
I don't think he folded your clothes. He says, So, we're gonna get motivated. We're gonna start cleaning. Oh, and when I was going through my Grove order, I saw that when you place your first purchase, you get a free gift with purchase. So they gave me some extra cleaning supplies, which I love. Who does not love free stuff? Especially me. I get very excited for cleaning supplies these days. But here is my order. I was gonna show you guys. I placed a really big order this time. But I want to show you some of my favorites. I really love Method products. I love the glass and surface cleaner. I love the all-purpose cleaner. I use that a lot. And a glass cleaner, the Method antibacterial, that is a must. And then I got some gel hand soap and some scrubbers, just lots of really good things. And really quick, I just want to show you guys, I got all of this stuff for free, which is awesome. So I highly suggest when you sign up and place your first order, take advantage of the free goodies.
Let's get cleaning.
You ready to clean?
Yeah.
All right, I just got done wiping down the whole kitchen. My house isn't like crazy dirty right now. Well, it's not messy right now. I like to just keep everything like straightened up. At the end of the night, I put everything away. So I just really need to like give everything a good wipe down, clean everything off. I've been disinfecting like crazy lately. So I'm gonna go do the downstairs bathroom right now. I only have one boy, well, and a husband. So bathrooms tend to get dirtier quicker. So I need to just go spray it down. I feel like it constantly smells like pee, like when boys go to the bathroom. So I always like to like scrub around the toilet, on the floor. So I'm gonna go clean it and disinfect it really well. And then we need to do upstairs too. I spray daily in the kids' bathroom just because they're always in there, and Kensington's in there as well. So yeah, the key is bathroom disinfectant. But I'm gonna find some gloves to clean the bathroom. All right, so I'm gonna grab some Clorox disinfecting wipes. And then for the bathrooms, I use paper towels. I try not to use a lot of paper towels when I'm cleaning, just to save paper towels, obviously. But when it comes to like bathrooms and stuff like that, I use paper towels, so I can just throw them away. Well, my two little helpers went MIA and are outside playing, so I'm on my own, but I just finished up downstairs. I'm gonna head upstairs, do their bathroom, and try to get a little bit of cleaning done in Kensington's room and organizing her drawers before the twins wake up from their nap. It's not too crazy messy, but they kind of just throw stuff everywhere. You know how kids are. So we're gonna straighten it up, clean everything off, disinfect the toilets. look who I found. My little helper is back. You gonna help Mama?
Yeah.
What should we do? Should we organize your drawers?
Yeah. We're gonna organize my room.
We're gonna organize your room?
Yeah.
All right, let's organize those drawers.
What do we do?
We're gonna go through all this and see what fits
What
you
color?
and what
color?
doesn't fit you.
This doesn't fit me.
That doesn't fit you? All right, we'll do that drawer next. Let's do this one first, okay?
What do I do?
Let's get
All my clothes
Let's
out?
get all your jeans out. We're gonna go through them and see what fits and what doesn't, and then we'll put it back, okay? Okay. All right, ready?
These do not fit.
Alright, I feel like this is much better. I've got all of her jeans, her jean leggings, her black leggings, and then just like random colorful ones, and then just some comfy shorts, and just like her biker shorts. But at least this way she could see that they're color coordinated, what she wants to grab. I feel like that makes it so much easier.
I want to see this one.
And then, watch out, baby. Then we went through and got rid of everything that doesn't fit her. So now she's got all of her shorts, skirts, and then her like tulle skirts. Should we go through that drawer right now or later?
Now.
You want to go through your tutus?
Yeah.
All right, let's go through them.
Sizes are.
These are new. These all still fit you.
Oh, Mom.
Yes.
Did I tell you that another one that's in my class when we dance, but not like right now? That one, when it was not sickness, that is when someone was wearing it, and now we have two.
Oh, really? You guys
We're
have the same one?
twins. She has that one, the star one, and I had that star one.
Oh, really?
I have that one, and she has that star one.
Oh, wow.
This was like a long, long time ago when I was 3.
Yeah, these don't fit you.
I
I don't think.
This is when I was.
2.
This is when I was 2 years old.
I know. I don't think it fits you anymore. We
Well,
gotta,
those are my
we gotta
underwear.
donate pile.
Well, those are my underwear that I wear.
All right. So
underwear.
let's do your princess stuff over here.
And then we have these go.
Let's do your pink leotards right here. Oh, hold on. Hold on that real quick. This one we're donating.
Mom, I love this one. Mom, I love this one for bow.
You do?
Look at it.
You love that one too?
I'll
Perfect.
put
All
it.
right, put it in there. Beautiful. That looks much better, huh?
Hi, Mom.
We got a slacker. Are you slacking on the job? You're supposed to be helping me. All right, we got your donate pile. That looks much better. You got all your leotard, your princess outfits, your tumbling leotards, and your tutus. Is that easy for you to find stuff? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, we're done.
Okay.